A Harvard Memory Report 2025 has revealed a shocking discovery. A common household toxin may be silently triggering memory loss in millions of people. This 2025 clinical report reveals that the real cause of brain fog, forgetfulness, and mental fatigue may not be aging, but a buildup of neurotoxins that disrupt your brain's natural clarity. Scientists now believe that these toxins damage the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. When this happens, your brain's ability to store and retrieve information begins to collapse. You forget names, misplace keys, and struggle to focus, even after a full night's sleep. But there's hope. A new toxin detox for brain clarity is helping thousands of people restore their memory and mental sharpness. This breakthrough formula targets the root cause, the brain toxin memory loss cycle. By flushing out harmful compounds and supporting neural regeneration, it helps rebuild the pathways your brain depends on. The 2025 clinical report reveals that this formula includes ingredients backed by Science 2025, including herbs and nutrients shown to reduce inflammation, protect neurons, and enhance cognitive performance. In clinical trials, participants reported clearer thinking, faster recall, and improved mood within weeks. This isn't just another memory pill, it's a scientifically designed protocol that addresses the hidden cause of memory decline, environmental toxins, and it's already changing lives. If you've ever walked into a room and forgotten why, or struggled to recall a conversation from earlier in the day, this may be the solution you've been waiting for. The Toxin Detox for Brain Clarity is helping people break free from the brain toxin memory loss cycle, and it's backed by Science 2025. Watch until the end to discover how this Harvard Memory Report 2025 is transforming the way we think about memory loss and how you can take the first step toward a clearer, sharper mind.